Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there's intelligent life out there beyond our planet? For centuries, astronomers have scanned the cosmos for unusual signals and strange occurrences that might offer a clue. But nothing could have prepared them for what they found when they turned their telescopes toward the constellation of Orion in October 2019. There, nestled between the stars, they discovered an interstellar visitor named 3iAtlas. It was a strange, bright blob with an unnatural glow that didn't resemble any known comet or asteroid. As the James Webb Space Telescope peered deeper into this perplexing phenomenon, what it found sent shockwaves through the scientific community. What secrets is it hiding? On an ordinary night in October 2019, something extraordinary happened in the constellation of Orion. A faint glow appeared. Defying the laws of physics and challenging our understanding of the universe, was an interstellar visitor unlike any other, an enigma that would captivate the minds of astronomers worldwide. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched just months before, began observing the strange phenomenon. Its advanced instruments detected an eerie glow that seemed to emanate from beyond the red planet, Mars. This was no ordinary celestial event. The glow was not the soft, diffused light of a nebula or the twinkling brilliance of a distant star. It was a stark, unnatural luminance that hinted at something profoundly unsettling. As days turned into weeks, the glow continued to persist, defying the usual transience of astronomical phenomena. It was as though something had been placed there deliberately, a silent sentinel watching over the cosmos. In December 2019, as the mystery deepened, the Catalina Sky Survey, a project dedicated to discovering near-Earth objects, made an astonishing revelation. The glow originated from an object between 45 and 50 times larger than Earth, a colossal presence that had entered our solar system from interstellar space. This was no ordinary visitor, carried with it the weight of countless mysteries and raised profound questions about the very nature of our existence. The scientific community was thrown into a frenzy. Theories abounded, each more speculative than the last. Some whispered that it was a harbinger of an impending apocalypse, a celestial omen foretelling the end of days. Others saw it as a miracle, a divine sign in the vast expanse of the cosmos. But amidst the cacophony of conjecture, a few voices emerged, voices that offered a different perspective, a more rational approach to the enigma. One such voice belonged to Dr. David Martinez, an astronomer at the University of Toronto. He proposed a radical idea that turned the conventional wisdom on its head. Dr. Martinez suggested that the glow was not a sign of impending doom, but of something far more intriguing, intelligent design. He pointed to the stability of the object as evidence. Its uncanny ability to maintain a consistent shape and trajectory, despite the chaotic forces of space. This was not the behavior of a random, naturally occurring phenomenon. It was the hallmark of something engineered, something guided by a will of its own. As the weeks went by, more observatories joined the investigation, each adding another piece to the intricate puzzle. The object, now designated 3iAtlas, became the focus of global attention. Scientists from around the world gathered, poring over data, comparing notes, and searching for answers. Among them was Dr. Alan Fitzsimmons, an astrophysicist at Queen's University Belfast. He brought a unique perspective to the table, having previously studied comets that had visited our solar system. At first glance, 3iAtlas bore some resemblance to these comets, but the more he examined it, the more he realized that it was not like anything he had seen before. It was perfectly round, highly reflective, and strangely mobile, as though it were alive. The implications were staggering. Could this be the first sign of extraterrestrial life that humanity had ever detected? Was this visitor a scout sent by a distant civilization to observe us, to study our world and determine our worth? The thought was both terrifying and exhilarating. It meant that we were no longer alone in the universe, that there were others out there who had achieved what we had only dreamed of, who had mastered the art of interstellar travel. But as the excitement began to subside, a new question arose. What did it mean for us, the people of Earth? Were we about to enter a new era of discovery and enlightenment, or were we facing a threat that we could not even comprehend? As the mysteries of 3iAtlas continue to unfold, one thing becomes clear. Our understanding of the universe is about to change forever. Whether we are alone in this vast cosmos has been a question that has echoed through human history. But now, Thanks to the unyielding spirit of exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, we are closer to finding the answer than ever before. The glow beyond Mars is more than just a celestial curiosity. It is a beacon calling us to explore the depths of our curiosity and the boundaries of our imagination. It beckons us to push beyond the confines of our planet and discover what wonders and mysteries lie in wait among the stars. The journey has just begun, and the destination, if we can dare to dream, be the very understanding of our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos.